What's up, everybody? Zach here with another review. This one is not for the Seeds program, one of the rare ones. But this is a review of the Dust-Rite Quick Change 4-inch tool port from Rockler. It comes with the two of these 4-inch ports. It comes with the handle. One end attaches to your dust collection hose. I bought the hose, expandable hose from Rockler. It goes from 3 feet, I think, to 21 feet to work with this. Anyway, the two tool ports come with a hose clamp. So you slide the flexible rubber end over your tool port. I have one on my 6-inch joiner, and the other one's on this jet table saw. Tighten it down, and then the handle just goes, sorry, wrong one. Handle just goes right over, so you can do a quick change. You take it off, go from tool to tool. Fits in there pretty snugly. Take that out. The only thing I would ask Rockler to do different with this kit is just include that clamp. So if you buy the hose and this kit, you don't need to buy another clamp if you're ordering it online. Now, I had ordered like 5 or so of the 4-inch clamps, which are coming with another port I have for the miter saw dust port. So it's not a big deal for me, but if you're going to buy it, make sure you buy a clamp for your whatever hose you're going to use to attach to it. It was like $26, I think, for the kit. I think it's well worth it. The hose was, I think, somewhere around there. Blue, flexible. It's got some decent weight to it. Both products, I think, are pretty good. They're definitely worth the money. I would buy them again. I'll probably end up buying some more of the adapters for the handle. Probably some of the longer tubes with the end kind of, so I can use it as a vacuum, since this will reach the large majority of my shop. And with having the Powermatic dust collector now, I can move a lot more air than when I was just using shop vac. So I really like both products. I would recommend them. Once I get a couple more fittings in, I'm going to finish the 4-inch piping, and I'll do a dust collection video of all the components I got. I didn't spend too much on them. I used the when I show you can't see it in the video now, the sewer pipe. I got it from my pipe supplier. It was 90 cents a foot, so it was $9 for a 10-foot section of pipe, which is pretty cheap, with a couple Y adapters. Anyway, I'll get into that into the next video, but as far as the Rockler tool port and hose, I recommend it. It's worth the money.